VCBox V6 Plus Setup 2026 Step-by-Step Installation Guide. Just got the VCBox V6 Plus and not sure where to start. In this video, I am going to teach you how to set it up from unboxing to your first stream in just a few simple steps. The VCBox V6 Plus runs on Android 14, supports Wi-Fi 6 and comes with a brand new backlit remote. It is a major upgrade over previous models and one of the best Android TV boxes available right now. Let us get into it. Step 1. Attach the high-gain Wi-Fi antenna to the back of the box. This is important for strong signal strength, so do not skip it. Step 2. Connect the VC box to your TV using the included HDMI cable. Switch your TV input to the correct HDMI port. Step 3. Plug in the power adapter and press the power button on the remote to boot the device. Step 4. Follow the on-screen setup wizard. Select your language, connect to your Wi-Fi network, and adjust the screen scale if the display is being cut off at the edges of your TV. Step 5. Sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store. From there, download all your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and anything else you need. Step 6. Pair your TV remote to the VCBox remote by holding the TV power button on the VCBox remote for 3 to 5 seconds until the light flashes. Then point your regular TV remote at it and press its power button. When the light goes solid, the pairing is done and you can control everything with one remote. Now here is your pro tip. If you experience buffering during streaming, switch from the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band to the 5 GHz band in your network settings. Or connect via wired Ethernet for the most stable experience possible. This single change eliminates buffering for most users. So to recap, attach the antenna, connect via HDMI, power on, complete the setup wizard, sign into Google, install your apps, and pair your TV remote. Simple, fast, and done in minutes. If this helped you get set up, hit the like button and subscribe for more device guides. And drop a comment below telling me which streaming app you installed first. See you in the next one.